What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do unboxing of this LG 29-inch monitor. So it's gonna be like a 2K, so it's gonna be better than a HD monitor. So that's the monitor that I have right now, right? That's the monitor that I have right now, and this is about 25-inch, right? And this one is maybe 19 or I don't know, 18. But this one is only HD quality, and this one is 2K quality. So that's how it looks, 4 times 3, right? And this one is gonna be bigger than that one. This one is gonna be 29-inch. This is the boxes. If you wanna read the specification, right? It's gonna be almost the same, but it's gonna be better because it has like a USB-C, right? It has like a 1 millisecond blur reduction, and there's a black stabilizer. Let's open this up. It's still brand new. I just got this one, like, you know, earlier. So let's look what's inside. All right. Alright, I can see some manual and the foam box to protect the monitor. Alright, just gonna put it there, and this is how it looks. Yep, that's just the specification. That's the handling guide. You know, you should not press over the screen. And this is the thing over here. It's really heavy, you know. Let me open this up first. Alright, so it's gone. I already unpacked this television. So this is how it looks. You know, it's similar. So let's see the port. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, you know, about, you know, like 3 times of the finger. And let's look at the back. All right, it's really heavy, but it's really light, you know. I'm turning it with just my one hand, and you can see there's a mini display, HDMI, and USB type C, I believe, over here. You can charge cell phone maybe, and there's like a power adapter, headset. Yep, this is the type, as you can see, made in China, Indonesia. So there's this two for the stand, and this is for the FESA mounting, right? All right, if you open this up, there is a stand, you know. You can find it underneath of the box. The box should be facing that way. Yes, you can see there's a stand, there's the handle, right? There's the power cable. All right, HDMI. It's really thick, and another power adapter. Wow, it's pretty big. It's like a laptop, you know. I'm not sure what is this. And another manual, you know. And let's see what is. Yep, another one. Maybe for cable management, or I'm not sure. That's might be a warranty card. All right. There is like a CD. Must be a software, you know. There's a software, you know, maybe to split the monitor. I'm not gonna be really needing it, so. Yep, that's the guarantee. The guarantee card, right? I'm not sure what is that. It's just so let's do installation on this one. some measurement. All right, so it's from 0 and then it's 50. It's like right over there. It's around, you know, 59. Let's calculate. So finally finished of installing this 29-inch monitor by LG. This is my 25, so I'm gonna be showing you side by side what's the difference, what are the advantages. So now this 25-inch is like slightly like smaller, but for the sharpness it's still the same. Everything is sharp. It's sharp. This one is sharp, it might have like slightly more features, but I think it's like overall it's like almost the same, except it has more ports, and it has the stand is like this, this stand is slightly, this is how it looks, and it's kind of wobbly. And this one, it's like it's slightly wobbly, but it's stronger, it's wider than this one. You can compare, see. So this one is kind of shaky if you put like a monitor in it, and this one is pretty like firmer, but I'm still gonna be putting this kind of arm like later on. For this, I'm gonna put it like side by side so I can watch it like better. I don't have to turn my head, and it's like less clutter. This one has the, again, slightly different port. This one is the display port, mini display port, HDMI, USB-C, right? And if you touch it here, it's slightly warm, like around here on the nearby the face I'm mounting, and it's still pretty thin because it's LED technology. LCD, it's like much thicker and it's warmer. And this is the 25-inch. It's pretty it's not as warm as the 29-inch, so I believe this is will be longer lasting because there's less heat generation. And the advantage of this one is it has like 2 HDMI port, like right here. So if you have like 2 PC, you can connect it to this one, and you can switch whichever PC that you're using. It doesn't have a display port, and this one doesn't have speaker. This 29-inch have a speaker. 25 by LG doesn't have any speaker. So, but the sound quality is not that much, so you shouldn't be worried of the speaker, because you can always get this Bluetooth speaker. I can connect it. I don't have to connect it because my computer has the Bluetooth, so it can connect to this. So I think, you can buy 2 of them and you will have no regret. There is like slightly price difference, maybe about $70 for this one, or $80 or slightly more. But it's worth it. If I know, I would get this one instead, because this one is easy on my eyes, and this one, it's big, but I think this one is better for my viewing purpose. I like this one better, much better. So if you wanna like get this one, the adapter is like pretty big. See, it's the size of my palm, and this one has this a cable management clip like on the back, but that one doesn't have it, obviously. You can see the this one doesn't have like, it's not as neat as that one. It has like the cable management, but it's over here. And for the 25-inch, the adapter is like much smaller. It's around this big. So as you can see, if you are really serious about maybe trading stocks or doing a lot of spreadsheets, I mean, I would get this big one. But if you have like a smaller room and you want like less heat generation, you might want to use the smaller 25 inch. But I recommend both of them, as both of them are pretty sharp, you know. It might be slightly different, but you won't notice it that much, you know. I like both of them, but I wish I got this one instead of this one, you know. I want to get two of them. So I hope my review is helpful. So I hope you just please help me with the subscribe and like button. Stay strong and question everything.